Welcome back to Crockpot Demons, where we destroy a microwave, a brand new one too.
Yeah, it's time.
Oh.
Now close it, close it.
Start it! Couple minutes.
You know what's actually gonna pull up? That's aluminum. Take it out! Somebody take it out!
Do I put the Dr. Shasta in?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it doesn't work. Did it unplug inside? No. Watch out.
Coming this way. Shoot, man.
No, chuck it at the microwave.
What?
Look at how it's open.
It right directly towards me.
Get off, bro. Just like on this. Just kick it or something. There you go. That's right now.
Watch out.
Oh, wait, let me get a hit. Let me get a hit.
Yo, okay.
Get some love.
Wait, I'm gonna like bat this into this. Oh, no, there's glass?
No, it's not. That's not glass.
Yeah. Oh no, wait, can I just hit that straight
If there's
up?
like a battery or something that's wrong with you, go. Oh, let's be careful of that. Well, it's not plugged in, so it has no power.
No.
That's not how it works.
Why would there be a battery in a plug-in microwave?
Battery's full of power. Yeah, that battery is transferring.
It's not just straight electrical straight to the...
Have you ever been to Mr. Brazil's car?
Yo, that's battery juice, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy.
What is this? This is a fan? Yo, what are you scared of?
This is fan.
This is the battery, dude. The battery.
This right now in chemistry.
Yeah.
What's this? Luke, hold it at the base. Noah deal.
Take the internals out.
Son of Thor. Wielder of Mjolnir.
You gotta hit it? Roman! Dude, look at that. You see all that?
Why?
Because we're playing Bendy.
Look at that roll of copper. We should here.
We should resell it.
Get this in. Get the internals out real quick. Get a screwdriver.
No, just use the sledgehammer.
Here, give me the sledgehammer real quick.
Slide to his left foot.
Whoa.
That thing can go far back.
What'd you call me?
That's like leather or something.
Hold it to a lever, and then you'll press it down, and it'll just...
Okay.
Wait, poke a little hole and then let stand the grease. No, Ella would not do that. Bro,
Where'd it go?
throw that away, Actually, my dad does not.
That's boiling. Is it not hot anymore?
No, not. I don't want that. 有 I'm watching out. Oh. Pop that, John. No, it's not gonna hit.
It will.
I smell good.
I smell really good.